Imagine a boy fails an exam, a girl gets her heart broken, an athlete collapses after years of training, a businessman loses everything he built. Different people, different stories, but one thing is common: pain. And that leads us to a question that humanity has been asking for thousands of years. Is suffering the only way to grow? क्या ग्रोथ का कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है? क्या सक्सेसफुल बनने के लिए दर्द जरूरी है? और हैव वी मिसअंडरस्टूड सफरिंग ऑल अलोंग? Chapter 1. Why does growth feel so painful? Think about it. When you exercise, your muscles ache. When you study hard, your brain feels exhausted. When you learn a new skill, you make mistakes. Growth almost always feels uncomfortable. और इसी वजह से लोग कहते हैं नो पेन नो गेन. बट इज दैट एक्चुअली ट्रू? बिकॉज इफ सफरिंग ऑटोमेटिकली क्रिएटेड ग्रोथ, then every person who suffered would become wiser, stronger, and more successful. But that's not what we see. Some people grow, some people break. Why? Chapter 2. The Shocking Truth. Here's something surprising. Psychologists have found that suffering itself doesn't transform people. The real transformation comes from how people respond to suffering. एक ही सिचुएशन दो लोगों के साथ हो सकती है. One person says, "My life is over." The other says, "What can I learn from this?" Same pain, different outcome. Pain is the fire, but your response decides whether that fire destroys you or forgives you, just like iron. Fire can melt it or make it stronger. Chapter 3. Nature's Secret. Nature hides a fascinating lesson. When a butterfly emerges from its cocoon, it struggles intensely. बहुत स्ट्रगल करती है. Some people tried helping butterflies by cutting open the cocoon. They thought they were being kind, but something unexpected happened. Many butterflies couldn't fly properly because the struggle itself was helping develop the strength they needed. Mind blowing, right? Something struggle isn't an obstacle. Sometimes it's part of the process. Chapter 4. The Dangerous Myth. But now comes the biggest twist. Many people believe the more suffering, the more growth. That sounds deep, but it's not always true. Some suffering teaches, some suffering only harms. A student who studied hard grows. A student who never sleeps destroys their health. An athlete who trains wisely grows stronger. An athlete who overtrains gets injured. Growth doesn't come from endless pain. Growth comes from meaningful challenges. There's a huge difference. Final chapter. So, is suffering the only way to grow? The answer is no. You can grow through curiosity, you can grow through discipline, you can grow through learning, you can grow through good mentors, you can grow through love and encouragement. But some of the deepest growth often happens when life becomes difficult. Not because suffering is magical, but because difficult moments force us to see who we really are. Maybe suffering isn't the only way to grow, but avoiding every challenge is one of the fastest ways to stop growing. The goal isn't to seek pain, the goal is to become stronger when pain inevitably arrives, because every person faces storms. The difference is that some people let the storm define them and others learn how to sail through it. So the next time life becomes difficult, don't ask, "Why is this happening to me?" Ask, "What is this trying to teach me?" And that question might change your life forever.